All right, guys, is this imagination or reality? Right? Peter hasn't seen this. I want to see him smile as we do this, right? Because, guys, we've been doing this for months. Here's Belinda, takes home $17,000. Here's Rob in Michigan, makes $20,000 his first 70 days with us, right? Oh, Belinda was just in her for a month and a half on that one.
Yeah,
right?
Absolutely.
Here's Henry. He closed 4 deals his first month. This dude is hardcore, right? Here's Seth. Seth is a longtime partner, and he makes a lot more than just these $7,000 checks. But you know what? Keep them coming. Denisha, brand new into real estate, right? Her first deal splits $30,000 worth of profits with us.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
She was just here visiting us
She was
last
just
week,
here.
remember?
Yeah. Alex, Super Alex, if you're out there listening, shout out. Alex, dude, he's a 20-year-old, man. He partnered with Peter, right? And split profits on his first deal of $52,000, right? And this is happening everywhere, nationwide. People are connecting to this partner-driven approach, right? Mm-hmm. Guys, this is not a done-for-you thing. I just want to be clear. All these people that I'm showcasing are hardcore folks, right, that are investing their time, investing their resources to connect to our resources, right? And I love Carl's last statement here, man. He hates working with gurus. And, you know, when Peter and I are working, it's like, Rafa, I don't want you to make me a guru. I'm not a fucking, excuse my language, I'm not a guru.
You've been hanging around me too long.
Yeah, I've been hanging out with this guy, cursing and smoking cigars, right? And it's true. We're not. He's not. Our organization not. We're a community, a partner-driven community, right? So is it imagination or is it reality? It's happening now, okay? And you can do this too.